What's up, guys? Marshill here again, and today we are actually going to go to the Shed Aquarium. If we have time, we're going to go to the Field Museum, and these are two museums that are right next to each other, so if you guys want to make a whole day out of it, you can spend the whole day in those areas. And as you can see, it's a little rainy, a little cold, but it's okay because we have Spot Hero once again, so we're going to park. And we got to walk a little bit, but it's all good. And what's cool is that today is a free day. So what that means is if you look on the calendar, if you look at all these websites in Chicago, you'll see a couple of free days, and they usually happen during the week. So you could check them out. It's free. So yeah, we're just going to take advantage of that, because why not? Why do we got to pay? It is good to pay to support your local museums and stuff. So don't take my word for it, but I would rather not pay for anything because I am cheap or frugal. That's the right word people use nowadays. But yeah, we're going to take a drive there. It's going to be a 50-minute drive, which kind of sucks. But it's worth it because these are two of the best museums in Illinois. What we're in right now is a art installation, so it's kind of crazy, but they got these little people here, well, these big people with their little legs. So look at that. Chicago has some weird stuff here, and this is one of their weirdest things to see, actually. That's Soldier Field. Bears didn't make it this year, but always next year, you know, go Bears.
And zip code?
And here are the Field Museum tickets. So we're in the taxidermy section. It's really cool. This is the Field Museum. So we just went through it. You guys saw a little bit of the exhibit. Not a lot. I want to, you know, like have you guys have the surprise and the discovery of finding certain things. So right now we're gonna get out of here, get back to our car, and we're gonna go to a pizza place, and it's not just any deep dish place, it's a special one. It's actually a bowl, and it's a deep dish pizza in a bowl. So I will show you guys what that looks like soon enough. Come follow me. Come here. Hey, we're in this little space together. Hey, hey, look at that. Chicago pizza and oven grinder. So as you know, this place is kind of small, but let's see how the pizza is. So they only have a meat or a meatless, like a vegetarian oven grinder. Things that all you vegetarians, you guys can come here and experience the pizza pot pie.
Sauce with mushrooms on white, correct?
Yep.
All right, you let me know when you're ready. Ready?
Yes.
Wow.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. It's going to be really hot, both of these. These just came out of the oven, so please be careful. We've also got our Italian seasonings here for you, which are great.
Thank
Enjoy.
you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I think we're right.
Yeah, 4.5 pounders. Awesome. Any appetizers? Great. All of you with water? Cool. I'll bring around and clean everything. Thank you.
Oh, when I'm eating that, that's very well seasoned. That's like a deep dish that's actually really well seasoned, and the cheese is not that bad. It's like the perfect amount. The meat's there. They give you these little button mushrooms in there, and yeah, this is a pretty good pizza. Wow.
It's a lot of cheese.
Wow. So, we just got done with Chicago pizza and oven grinder, and I finally got it right. It's not Chicago pizza, whatever. But that deep dish pot pie pizza that they have is pretty good. You know, it's well seasoned. It's really cheesy, really gooey. They have a meat sauce. You don't get a choice of what meats you put in there. They just have one standard sauce, and then they have sauce that's a vegetarian sauce. So I got the meat sauce, really good, really well seasoned, and they have a little thing you can shake on there just to season up even more. But that vegetarian sandwich was kind of a disappointment, and the reason why I say that is because when you say a vegetarian, it shouldn't just be like a bunch of vegetables, like a salad in a sandwich topped with a bunch of cheese. That's basically what happened. There was like a whole bell pepper, it seems like, that was in there. And with the cheese and with just the big thick cut bread and just the sauce, it wasn't too hot. it was kind of like a mess. I feel like if Gordon Ramsay was there, he would just be like, what the, is this? It's just like a big old mess, and it's whatever. You're there for the pizza. Pizza was amazing. I think it's a deep dish pizza done right. I hope you guys enjoyed what we're doing right now. I hope you guys love just the energy that we're putting into these videos. I'm out here representing Chicago. I'm not a tourist. I'm not gonna go to like 5 different spots or anything like that. I'm gonna go and spend quality time at each of these locations in Chicago. So yeah, I hope you guys are sticking along with us and kind of seeing what we're doing over here. We're trying to spread some love, trying to spread some positivity in Chicago. And if you're a restaurant that's interested in me coming over and just kind of looking at your restaurant and just kind of videotaping your dishes, we would love to come over, guys, and we would love to eat what you guys have to serve us. But yeah, we'd just love to see what Chicago's all about. Anyways, guys, like, subscribe, share this video, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.